Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are calling all egg curry lovers as we are embarking on a culinary adventure to the royal kitchens of Hyderabad. Get ready to experience the rich and flavorful world of Hyderabadi Egg Malai Korma. Forget your ordinary egg curries. Hyderabadi Egg Malai Korma is a symphony of textures and flavor. Silky, smooth, creamy malai sauce embrace perfectly cooked egg. Infused with a unique blend of Hyderabadi spices, it's a taste of royalty in every bite. This recipe might sound fancy, but it's surprisingly easy to make at home. No fancy ingredients needed. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. Enjoy it with fluffy white rice, or you can also have it with roti. Ditch the takeout menus and create a restaurant-worthy Hyderabadi Egg Malai Korma in your own kitchen. If you're new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Let's get cooking and unlock the secret of this royal dish. So now let's begin. So first take a mixer jar. Add 1 bunch coriander leaves washed and roughly cut, and also add the stems. Then add 2 onions sliced. Add 1/3 cup mint leaves, 2 green chillies, 1/3 cup water. Then blend this until it is nice and smooth. So the masala paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside. Then in a hot pan add oil. Add half tablespoon cumin seeds and fry this until it is light brown. Then add the green masala paste and then cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add some salt to taste. Add 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and cook this again for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes on a low flame. Then add 1 cup water and give this a nice mix. Then add 1/3 cup curd or yogurt. Add handful of chopped coriander leaves. Add 100 ml milk. Add 2 boiled eggs chopped. Add 1 stock cube. Add some salt to taste and give this a nice mix. Then cover it and cook it for about 10 minutes. Then give this a nice mix. Then add about 7 boiled eggs and then gently mix it. Then cover it and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. And then give this a nice mix. And there you have it guys, a plate fit for a king, our Hyderabadi Egg Malai Korma. Look at that creamy green sauce, glistening with a touch of royalty. A visual masterpiece and a flavor explosion waiting to happen. Serve this dish with fluffy white rice or a hot roti. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious Indian recipes inspired by regional specialties like this one. If you prefer a thicker sauce, simply simmer it for a few minutes longer at the end. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, do share my recipes with your friends and family so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. Now go forth and explore the vibrant flavors of Hyderabad. This Hyderabadi Egg Malai Korma recipe is a great introduction. Until next time, happy cooking. Bye.